Remove the sash. The sash can only be removed from the outer frame by opening it to an angle of 45 degrees and disconnecting the hinge. Remove the opening spindle. Remove the sash beading and apply a continuous bead of silicone to all 4 sides. Insert the glazing panel, ensuring the breather tape is at the bottom edge. Replace the glazing beads. Ensure the drainage bead is placed at the bottom of the sash. When glazing with glass, the sash should remain upside down until the silicone has cured before fitting to the main frame. Replace the opening spindle. The top and bottom glazing beads must be removed prior to applying a continuous bead of silicone to the full width of the outer frame. A V-groove on the frame indicates the correct position of the silicone bead. Reattach the beads and the small top glazing sheet into the top of the outer frame. Position the outer frame assembly between the roof bars, then push towards the wall plate or ridge until the top glazing sheet is fully inserted. The glazed sash can now be remounted and the opening mechanism connected.